Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start where the clip meets the panel. Work smart, not hard. First, clear debris and spray a little penetrating lubricant into the seam so the plug loosens. Use a thin, flat pick to lift the center pin slightly, just a few millimeters, then slide a plastic trim tool under the head. Once you feel movement, pry gently at a 30 to 45 degree angle. This prevents bending the clip. Make sure to support the panel with your free hand to avoid stress. Now you move into controlled extraction. You must take it slow. If the center popped up, grip the pin with pliers wrapped in a rag to avoid crushing it and pull straight out. Avoid twisting. For Christmas tree clips, rock the base side to side minimally while pulling to release barbs evenly. Once done, check the clip bore and panel hole for burrs. If present, smooth with a small file. If resistance rises, stop, relubricate, and try again to prevent snapping. You finish by inspecting both clip and hole. The how matters as much as the why. If the clip is intact, press the center pin back in. If it flexes, replace it. Old plastic becomes brittle and fails. When a clip breaks, use a thin pick to tease out shards or carefully drill the remnant with a small bit while protecting surrounding paint, then clean the hole. One tip: if removal is stubborn, warming the area briefly with a hairdryer softens plastic and reduces breakage risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.